Hey, how's it going, guys? In this video I'll quickly show you how to create an awesome looking clip or like an intro clip for your YouTube videos. It's really easy. You don't have to pay anything. It's absolutely free. You don't even have to create an account. So you need to do is you need to go on this website called panzoid.com. So I'm in the trending section, and here you can just pick up any template that you want. So these are templates created by people who've got a lot of time on their hands, so they can sit on their clip maker and make these videos. Right? I haven't got time for that. I'm pretty sure most of you don't. So we really got to appreciate these creators. Let's say we try this one. So we open that one up and we want to click open in clip maker, and if you like these creators you can follow them as well. So once it's opening up in the clip maker, what you want to do is first of all you want to see if you actually like it. So you want to click on this little eye here and you want to click play. Cool. Now let's say you like it, and but in the video, as you can see, it says name. It says name in the middle here, and you want to change that to your YouTube channel. So what you want to do is you want to come to this objects, and here you can see the text. So you quickly want to click on text, and let's say we say the test, right? And press enter, and then we check that. Second one, we say test. Bam! It's ready. There we go. You got yourself a killer YouTube intro clip already. And you can also change the duration. So if you think it's a little bit too long, you can click here, you can change the time, you can select the resolution. You know, my internet connection is really slow, so I'm gonna go with, let's say, 1080p. And now, how do you download it? To download it, you gotta click down here and you gotta start video render. Now here you can see the balance. So the faster render would give you low quality, whereas balanced would be like the medium. But if you have a good internet connection, you can even go for good quality. Now just for the sake of this video, I'm gonna go for the fast render, so I don't waste too much of your time, and I generally go with, I'll leave the setting alone, and you just click start video render. So now while this video is rendering, you want to keep this page open, because as soon as you would close this page, the video render would stop and it would stop the download. So you need to keep it here. You need to be patient. So I'm just going to pause the video for the time's sake while it's doing that. So it's got 30 seconds left on it. So this is really cool for poor people like you and I, because my YouTube channel is really small. But the people with really big channels, they can actually pay professionals to make those clips for them, like MKBHD or Mr. Who's the Boss. They have gotten professionals to make these awesome intro clips for them. We can't afford that. So this is great for you if you're just starting a new YouTube channel or you haven't got the money to do it anyway. So there we go. The video is rendered. All you gotta do is now you gotta download your video. You just want to click on it, and it's gonna ask you where you want it to be downloaded. In a second, let's just say I want it to go. Where do I want it to go? Okay, let's just say desktop quickly. Let's say test video and save. And see, it's only about 4 MB. So now if I go open up this video, cool. So it works. The one thing that you may have to do, because sometimes on YouTube, because this video format is .mkv, sometimes YouTube doesn't support it, so you may have to convert it into MP4 files. Which for that you can just go, you know, like mkv to MP4 online, and there is a website. Yeah, this is the one that I've used a few times, video.online convert.com. Yeah, and you just put your URL here and you can get all the, you know, settings here, and you just convert your file by clicking here. Simple as that. So yeah, if you guys have any other questions, let me know. I'll leave the links for these websites in the description, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.
Tell me, do you feel ashamed?